I'm done with you. I'm done. Get out. No. Get out.
We are never getting back together, okay?
Yeah, I know.
Never.
I know.
So what is this? You borrow a suit? You come up here and try to impress me? For what?
My battery, it hit. I signed the deal. I'm in business with Prescott.
Good for you.
Good for us. The divorce is finalized, but I wanted you to have this for everything you've done for me over the years. I haven't met any woman who would put up with me, loved me, cared for me, believed in me. I don't blame you. Just sorry that my dream took so long to come. I almost forgot. Your mama's house. It's yours again. Hi.
The address was on the check.
Yeah.
And I remembered the building. This is the building you said we would live in. So proud of you.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Diana, Robert's fiance.
Yes. Tyler Perry movie. This is going to be so sweet. I've been waiting to do a reaction like this. So right here, guys, we have a young lady that decided to leave a guy right before that snowball started going downhill. Broke down and out, but the man had a vision. He stayed true to that thing until the end. He had a sense of purpose. And you had a young lady, honestly, I think, from what I've seen, was giving him heck for a while. And I think that there are no such thing as good people gone bad. I just don't believe it. I think that if you have good character, you are a good person. That is what you're going to always display no matter what. And if you really down, if you really ride for somebody, then you're going to be there for them no matter what. This young lady left on bad terms. And lo and behold, this was right before that doggone snowball started to pick up speed. And then you have a guy that went from having nothing to having it all. Millions of dollars. Invited the young lady back, hey, I made it. And she thinking, we made it. No, darling, no. I made it. You had the opportunity to stay down. You were here when I was at my worst. You stay here when I'm at my worst, and you're going to reap the benefit of that if you continue to endure just like me, right? But no, you took it upon yourself to leave. And like I always tell people, my protection is like Wi-Fi. Once you get outside that zone, you on your own. Don't be looking to come back after the fact. Now, it's a wrap. That Wi-Fi password is locked, baby. You out. You're done. And so I believe that his actions was definitely justified. And I encourage any guy, any man out there to do the same. If you have a young lady that you are around that ever thinks that it's okay to be disrespectful, to leave, or whatever the case may be, then you allow it. I'm not going to force you to stay here, but just know and understand, once you leave outside that zone, you on your own. Ain't no coming back. It's a wrap for you.